Forging a path forward, navigating your journey in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring English phrase, forge a path forward. This phrase is a powerful tool in both daily conversation and professional communication. It's all about overcoming obstacles and moving towards your goals. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and how it can inspire your English learning journey. The phrase, forge a path forward, combines two interesting words, forge and path forward. To forge something doesn't just mean to create. It involves a sense of craftsmanship, effort, and transformation. Originally used to describe the process of shaping metal through heat, in this context, it symbolizes shaping your own destiny with effort and determination. A path forward suggests a direction or route one must take to advance or progress. It's not just any path, it's a metaphor for the journey towards achieving goals or overcoming challenges. So, when we talk about forging a path forward, we're talking about actively creating your own route to move ahead, especially through difficult or uncharted territories. It's about being a pioneer in your own life, breaking new ground and overcoming obstacles. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. After losing her job, Maria had to forge a path forward by starting her own business. 2. The team encountered many problems with the project, but they forged a path forward by finding innovative solutions. 3. In learning English, you may feel overwhelmed at times, but forging a path forward with consistent practice and positivity will lead to improvement. These examples show that forging a path forward is about initiative and resilience. It's about not waiting for opportunities to come to you, but rather, creating them for yourself. For English learners, forge a path forward is not just a phrase but a mindset. Learning a new language is full of challenges, from understanding grammar rules to achieving fluency in speaking. By adopting the attitude of forging a path forward, you are committing to persistent effort, creativity, and resilience in your learning journey. Remember, every mistake is a step on your path. Each new word, each corrected error, is part of forging your path forward in English. Embrace the challenges, because they make your journey unique and rewarding. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the phrase, forge a path forward. We hope this video not only helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations but also inspires you to apply its principles in your learning journey. Keep forging your path forward, and let's continue this adventure together. Until next time, happy learning!